the assassination of Charlie Kirk proves ukuthi America is just a fascist state. Yabo, labantu laba beba-overthrow ama-countries bathi ba-instilla i-democracy. Even nabo bafitha baya-understand i-democracy. Last year, a presidential candidate, Donald Trump, was nearly assassinated. This year, a political opponent, not political opponent, but a political spokesperson, Charlie Kirk of the Conservative Party, was assassinated yesterday. So Charlie Kirk is a white racist, is a white supremacist. Nabangani bakhe, Abu Candace Owens, Abu Ben Shapiro, Abu Matt Walsh. These are the people that push out there's a white genocide. These are the people that push out Israel must occupy Palestine. Not only that, they were pushing abantu base Palestine should be pushed out of Palestine, so that should be bahambe by Egypt. So Abu Charlie Kirk Vele are not like the good guys. And it's very unfortunate he had to pass. Akekho umuntu who should be assassinated for ama political views wakhe. But angeke sobe siqamba amanga mesithi ama political views wakhe bewangekho radical and bewangadingakala ukuthi abe suppressed.